Yes, now answer the following questions. So let's see the question answers. What is this? First one, what kind of person Mohan was? So what is the first question? What kind of person Mohan was? Mohan was very kind and good natured person. Mohan was very kind and good natured person. So first question, what kind of person Mohan was? Mohan was very kind and good natured person, right? And see the second one, how Mohan used to help deceased people. How Mohan helped to deceased people. Deceased people means died people, the family members, right? So if someone died in the village, so how he helped? If someone died in the village, Mohan assisted the family members. Mohan assisted the family members of the deceased person in whichever way he could, right? So if someone died in the village, Mohan assisted the family members of the deceased person in whichever way he could. So like that he helped. And what kind of person Sohan was? What kind of person Sohan was? Sohan was a lazy person. He always felt jealous of Mohan. Sohan was a lazy person. He always felt jealous of Mohan. And see the fourth question. What did Sohan do to Mohan? What did Sohan do to Mohan? What did he do? Sohan set fire to Mohan's crop. Sohan set fire to Mohan's crop. And see the fifth question. What happened to Sohan's son? What happened? Yes, Sohan's son had fallen ill. Sohan's son had fallen ill. And see the last question. How did Mohan help Sohan? How did Mohan help Sohan? Yes, Mohan went to the nearby town on his own horse and brought an experienced doctor to treat the son of Sohan. Mohan went to the nearby town on his own horse and brought the experienced doctor to treat the son of Sohan, right? So these are the question answers. So then we can continue the next grammar topics.
See children, so we have completed the lesson be kind and do kind, right? We understood that very perfectly. Now, we can see from that only question answers. After question answers we have fill in the blanks using clue kit. Fill in the blanks using clue kit. So what is the clue kit? See here first. So here in the clue kit they have given just 5 words. What are these? Mistake, fire, Sohan, person, land. Total 5 words. Mistake, fire, Sohan, person, land. So these 5 words, wherever it is suitable, in these fill in the blank sentences we should write. Right? Yes, in the first one, the farmer had a little dash. The farmer had a little dash. What does he have? Little land. So where do we have? Yes, last one. That we can take here and write here. So the farmer had a little land, right? And this is the next one. Mohan was a good-natured, what kind of person he is? Good-natured person. So what we can take? Yes, person from here. Good-natured person. And see the next question, next sentence. Dash hated Mohan. Dash hated Mohan. Who hated Mohan? Yes. The person is nothing but Sohan. Sohan hated Mohan. Yes. Next, see the next question. Next sentence. Sohan said dash to the crop of Mohan. Yes, what did he do for the crop of Mohan? Yes, he set the fire. That we should take. So Sohan set fire to the crop of Mohan. And see the next one. Sohan realized his dash. What did he realize? Yes, he realized his mistake. So that we should write here. Mistake. Clear? So these we have main important sentences. And now see the next one. It's a time to spell well. It's a time to spell well. how to pronounce. Trying to spell well means maximum. First we get missing letters, right? So what are these missing letters? Complete the following words. So they have given the first letter, miss. They missed the first letter. That we should survive. Which letters can we take it? Yes, of course, those are from our lesson only. And that too, whatever the letters suitable here they have given. A, S, A, D, J, A, D, H, F. So from this we should take whichever a suitable word. Suitable letter for this word. Dash, A, R, M, E, R. Who is here? Yes, very good. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. And see the next one, dash E-A-R-T. Dash E-A-R-T. What kind of person he is? Kind heart, right? So then H we can take it. H-E-A-R-T, heart. And dash E-C-E-A-S-E-D. Mohan goes to always, immediately whoever needed, especially for the, yes, family of deceased person. Deceased. Deceased means, yes, the person who died. Deceased. D-E-C-E-A-S-E-D. Yes. Next one, dash L-E-R-T-N-E-S-S. Dash L-E-R-T-N-E-S-S. Alertness. Alertness. And next one, this is, yes, you know, dash E-A-L-O-U-S-Y. What can we write? Jealousy. Jealousy. And next one, yes, dash O-U-S-E-D. Dash O-U-S-E-D. That is doused. D-O-U-S-E-D. Next one, dash R-R-I-V-E-D. Here, arrived. A-R-R-I-V-E-D. Arrived. Next one, dash N-I-M-O-S-I-T-Y. What is this? Animosity. A-N-I-M-O-S-I-T-Y. Animosity. Next one, dash E-A-S-O-N. That is season. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Next one, last we have, yes, action. Dash C-T-I-O-N. A-C-T-I-O-N. Action. Farmer, heart, deceased, alertness, jealousy, doused, arrived, animosity, season, action. So these are main important words from the lesson. They have given us missing letters, right? See children, so now here we have, it's a time to listen. So what can we listen here? Here I read out some words. So those words, what you get in your lesson, that we should find out. Okay, so whatever the words we found in our lesson, that we should give the coloring here, right? So the list of words are here, see this? So all these are rhyming words. What is a rhyming word? Yes, end of each word gives the same sound, right? So two rhyming words here. In that only one or more also we make it from our lesson. Whatever the words we get, that we should give the color here. So see the first one, brother, brother, farmer, brother, farmer. Brother, did we get in this one? No. Farmer, yes, Mohan and Sohan both are farmers, right? So farmer, give color to the farmer. And next, kind, find, kind, find. Yes, Mohan is very kind-hearted one. But find did we get? No. So kind, you should give the color. Next one, heart, heart. Did we get this heart? No. And next one, land. So land, find land. Some rhyming words they have given, but some they didn't give. Normal words you see. So land, yes, Mohan has a little land. So land we have, that you give the color. Soft, we didn't get that one. Season, reason, action. So season, reason, action. All are na sounds. So rhyming words. But season, yes, in the spring season, in the next harvest season they have given. So season we can give as, yes, that is Right, in our lesson we got it, that's why we can give the color to it. Next one, reason. Did we get reason word? No. And action, yes. Next time I'll see and I'll take an action on him, like that Mohan thought about it. So that action we have, give color to that. So whatever the words we have in this to find the colors, yes, a farmer, kind, land, season and action. So these words we can give the color. Give same color to that. Okay.
Yes, see children. So now in this lesson we have grammar part. What is this grammar part? Here we have compound nouns or compound words. So what are these compound words? So in the grammar part, compound words we can learn it. What is this compound word? Compound means combining. So combining words. So two types of words, if we combine we get new word. That is called compound word. What are these? So these compound words means we have mainly two parts. In the compound words we have mainly two parts. So first part and second part. First part and second part. So what is this first part and what is this second part? This first part means what kind of person, or what kind of object it is, that we get in the first part. And second part we get what is object, okay, or who is that. So what or who, that we get in that. Okay, so what kind of person or what kind of object is here, that person or object we get here, what or who. So that is second part. So suppose if we take the example, in the first part, if we take it, so police. So what kind of person he is? Police. Who is that person? Yes, man. So police one word, man one word. That will become policeman. Right, policeman. Suppose boy. Boy is one word. What kind of person? Boy. Who is that person? That is a friend. Then we can write it boyfriend. And next one, water. Water. Then we can write here tank. So what do we get? Water tank. We have water tank. Right. So like this we have compound words. So the first word we get, and for that is a what or who is that. That we can combine it. So that's why police man, police plus man. If we combine both words, it will become policeman. And boyfriend. So boyfriend, girlfriend, generally it is, but we cannot describe them what kind of friend noun. But here compound word we can take it. And water tank. So here water is one word and tank, what is that? So we are using what purpose? To store the water. So that water tank is another compound word. Right. So like this we have the compound words. In these compound words another three types are there. So what are those we can see? Yes, these compound words we can write three ways. That is, as one word we can write. First one is as one word. As one word means what is this? Suppose if you take the example, policeman. Policeman, policeman. Both if we combine policeman, one word only. But another one is hyphenated words. Word with hyphen. Hyphen means, yes, it's a small dash. Hyphen means it's a small dash. So what can we write the example? Suppose dining. Where do we do it? What is that? It's a table we use it. So when we combine this word, it becomes dining table, but we should give hyphen before that. Between these two words we should give hyphen. dining table, right? And another one we have two separate words. Two separate words. Combining, it's a compound word, but still we write separate words only. Suppose fish tank. When it become combined word, fish tank we get. But we don't add in the as one word, or we don't use any hyphen here. Right? Did you understand this? So let's see some examples in this. What we have, the different words, how to combine it, whether with a hyphen or without hyphen, combined word we can see. See children, so here match the words. Find out the compound nouns and write in the space provided. So here they have given the space and here they have given the words to match it. So column A and column B. So here they gave some words, whatever the suitable for this from the B, that we should write as compound word, right? Now see this one, first one, what do we have? Grand. So grand, what can we write? Grandfather. So that we write here, answer it is grandfather. And see the second one, here fisher. So fisher, here we have fisher, what can we add for this? Fisherman. So he is fisherman. So then we can write answer, second one, fisherman. And third one, class. So what is this? Where we are? We are in the classroom. So that we should give classroom. So right answer for this here, classroom. Yes. Now come here, the fourth one, it is water. And what do we have? Fruit. Watermelon. So then we write the answer here, watermelon. And see the next one, room. So in the same room some people are there, what do we call? Roommate. That we call it roommate. So then we can write here, roommate. Yes, next one, what do we have? Friend. So we have friendship with others. So then we can go for friendship. Next one, hair. We keep our hair pins. So we can go for hairpin. And next one, post. So where do we have? It's a post office. So then we can write answer here, post office. Right. So grandfather, fisherman, classroom, watermelon, roommate, friendship, hairpin and post office. So like this we have all compound words. Right. Did you understand this one? Yes. Good. Yes, see children, it's now time to watch. So what can we see here? See, how is it? So look at the picture given below and write a few lines about it. So here they have given a picture. Seeing that, we should write some lines. What is this picture? Yes, a girl is on the bed and someone sat beside her and some children also came to talk to her. What happened to inquire, right? That we can write. So see that what can we write? In this picture, we can see a girl lying on the bed. We can see a girl lying on the bed. That's the first sentence we can write. And she is surrounded by how many children? She is surrounded by 3 children there. She is surrounded by 3 children. There is a woman sitting beside the bed and observing the girl. There is a woman sitting beside the bed and observing the girl, right? And next we can write, it seems that the girl on the bed is not feeling well. It seems that the girl on the bed is not feeling well. Some health issue, right? Yes, she is being treated. She is being treated, right? She is under the treatment, right? So this we can take it. And now, see this, it's a time to speak. Time to speak. So that means here that we have some sentences whenever it is necessary. We can use this one. Should not feel jealousy. That encourage the students to talk about ill effects of jealousy. They can make use the following points. By using this, you prepare yourself. Whenever you talk to your friends, you should behave like this. You should use this point of one. What is that? Makes one afraid. Can we make the others afraid? No, that's not our friendship. Yes, makes one angry. Makes one angry. Can we make others angry? No, that is also not correct. And it can lead to depression. Yes, continuously if we feel jealous on others, or if we cheat the others, or if we comment the others, they may depress, or you also get depression. So that's why be careful. And increase stress in life. Always if you feel jealous on others, that increases stress in your life. That's why don't feel jealous on others. And it destroys relations. Yes, if we have much jealousy, that destroys the relation what we have with our friends and relatives also. And makes one feel lonely. Yes, if you feel jealous on everyone, if you compare with everyone, what happens? No one do the friendship with you, right? So that's why we should be always very friendly. Then only we can, otherwise we feel lonely. And it creates irrational doubts in mind. So yes, if we feel always jealous on others, irrational, uncontrollable feelings. So always to do something to the others. How Sohan set the fire to Mohan's crop. Like that, some things, ideas you may get it which are not correct and which are not good. So makes one irritable. So because of your behavior, others will irritate on your behavior. That's why be careful while you are following with your friends. So you should not feel jealous on others. Only with that jealousy, we get all these kinds of problems in our life, right? So then we can see the next topic. Yes, see children. So now here we have time to write. Write means what can we write now here? Arrange the sentences in the order. So they have given some sentences from the lesson. Those one, in which order we get, that we should write here. So see this one, first one, what do we have? Yes. See the sentences once I am telling. Sohan set fire to the crop of Mohan. Yes. So once Sohan set the fire to the crop of Mohan. Sohan's said had fallen ill. Yes, after setting that only he did this, na? Okay. And once upon a time there lived a farmer who had a little land. Yes, where is it? First sentence, this one in our lesson, right? That's why this is the third one, is the first sentence we should write. And Sohan stood up, embraced Mohan. So when is it? Yes, when his son had fallen ill, later he realized his mistake and he stood up, embraced Mohan, right? And Mohan was very kind and a good-natured person. Yes, right? Yeah. Now, second one is, how is Mohan? Once a farmer is there, that farmer name is Mohan and he is a very kind and good-natured person. And once Sohan set the fire to Mohan, crop of Mohan, and later Sohan's son had fallen ill. And next one, we have second here. Yes, here fifth one and first one. Next, here Sohan's son had fallen ill, and later we should write Sohan stood up, embraced Mohan. So that we should write it. Clear? So first sentence we should write, once upon a time there lived a farmer who had a little land. And second one we should write, Mohan was very kind and good-natured person. And the next we should write it, Sohan set fire to the Mohan. So crop of Mohan. And Sohan's next one we should write, Sohan's son had fallen ill. And the next we should write, Sohan stood up, embraced Mohan. Alright, so these order we should write. And now come to the next one. Write things farmer uses in field. So in the field farmers use different things. So what are they use? That we can write here. So already they have given tools of a farmer. What are these? One they have given plow. Right? To plow the field. That they plow. And next we can write here they use tractor. Right? So one more thing they use it. Tractor. Right? And next one we can write plow beam. So plow beam to dig the mud, they use a plow beam. And another one we have hoe. Hoe. That is a spade also we can call it hoe. So these main things and any other things you can find it in the internet and should write whatever the other things that farmer use. So here I have given plow, tractor, plow beam and hoe. Right? Yes. Now children, it's a time to do. What can we do? Yes, this is our project time, right? Very interesting one. So now you can do this one also. Yes, this is very easiest one. That is, how do plants grow? How do plants grow? Right? So look at the pictures and arrange them in the order. So what to do to grow the plants? Well, how we get a plant? So all the orders here, total 6 pictures they have given. One is sprout, water, third one soil, fourth one sunlight, fifth one plant and sixth one seeds. So what is the first one and what is the second one, third one, that we should do the project work here. What to do first? Yes, first we should, in the pot, soil is man, right? So first one is soil, that is third picture. And in the soil what to do? Yes, we should keep the seeds. Where do we have seeds? We have in, yes, last picture. So in the soil, seeds we should keep it, right? And later what can we use it? Yes, watering. After keep the seeds we should water it. So that's why second picture we should take it as third one. And the next what do we have? Yes, the seeds after watering it we should keep under the sunlight, right? Yes, fourth picture as the fourth one. And the next one what we should write? Yes, when the sunlight it gets within 2-3 days or 5 days or 7 days, based on the seeds we get the sprout first, right? Yes, that's the first picture as fifth one. And the last after the sprout what we get? Yes, within few days it become a plant, right? Yes, that is the last picture. Fifth picture is the last one we should take it, right? So this you order, you place the pictures.